Dr. Amol Khedikar is a wildlife veterinarian, biologist, and herpetologist who has devoted an entire lifetime to wildlife conservation. He started as a passionate young child wanting to help animals in distress and lending them a voice. His passion later developed into full-fledged long career in wild animal rescue and rehabilitation. He joined Pune Snake Park's Wildlife Rescue Center as a young volunteer and continued rescuing and rehabilitating wild animals and successfully reintroducing many of them back into the wild. Here he rose through the ranks to lead a team of expert wildlife rescuers, mentoring many of them in the process. During his time at Pune Snake Park, he was responsible for countless complex and daring wildlife rescues. During his rescue operations in various parts of India, Dr. Amol soon realized that there was a lack of expert knowledge in rescuing and providing critical medical care to distressed wildlife. So he decided to pursue a degree in veterinary medicine and surgery. Before joining Bombay Veterinary College, he had already established himself as an expert in the field of wildlife rescue and rehabilitation. Dr. Amol, an alumnus of Mumbai Veterinary College, graduated in 2004. His veterinary degree gave him an unique combination of skills which allowed him to make a significant impact on his rescue and rehabilitation work. He continued to rescue, treat, and rehabilitate wildlife during his undergraduate time at Bombay Veterinary College. While in Goregaon campus itself, he quickly befriended the local tribals and trained them to create a very effective network of local wildlife rescuers and established an efficient rescue center on the campus, nursing rescued wildlife back to health and reintroducing them into the wild. He has traveled the world for wildlife related work and has carried his passion wherever he went. He has helped establish several wild animal rescue centers in many countries. He works in remote areas to start wildlife rescue centers to help local wildlife and train the local youth to rescue and care for the rescued wildlife. He trains and enables his students to eventually run these centers on their own. Over his long career, he has donned multiple hats. Apart from being a field wildlife veterinarian, he has worked as an alligator biologist at Everglades National Park, Florida, USA, and as a lead tiger ecologist at Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, Indian Institute of Science and Education and Research, India. He has been leading field research teams on various types of wildlife research projects like Anti-Poaching Rapid Action Force, Save Tadoba Movement, Texas Wildlife Rescue Network, and has worked as field mentor for many students pursuing PhD in wildlife from the universities of Cambridge and Exeter, UK, and Princeton and UC Davis in USA. His work as a tiger ecologist on carnivore ecology projects presented a unique opportunity to closely track and study carnivore. Dr. Amol has tracked tigers, leopards, and wild dogs on foot with the objective of studying them and collecting crucial scientific data. Using his unprecedented access to restricted core areas for research work all over the park, he created a network of people, local villagers, guides, forest guards, people who lived and breathed the jungle. This network enabled better communication and among the forest guards and aided in improved monitoring and protection of the core parts of the park or the important parts of the jungle. Working as a biologist living inside the park meant two things for him: an immense satisfaction of working towards saving the wildlife in India, and the realization that saving the wildlife is impossible without addressing the main cause that is pushing many species to the brink of extinction, that is the human-wildlife conflict. This was the beginning of his non-profit organization, Bushcraft, dedicated to the cause of resolving the human-wildlife conflict. Today, with a vision to lies between the wildlife and people, Bushcraft works with the top priority challenge: reducing the habitat destruction by reducing the people's dependency on forests and national resources of the land. It works to address the grave problems caused by human-wildlife conflict around Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve as well. He currently runs a wildlife rescue organization, Texas Wildlife Rescue Network in Texas, USA, as a free to-people service. A small team of volunteers rescuers help about 200 to 250 animals yearly in a densely populated metropolitan city. The rescued species include snakes, squirrels, bobcats, coyotes, foxes, and birds, etc. This rescue model is based on creative use of popular social media platforms to bring rapid help to the distressed wildlife. This unique wildlife rescue model is being recognized as one of its kind in any major metropolitan area in the world. Dr. Amol also lends his expertise and field experience as a subject matter expert and on-field guide to scientific documentary and filmmaking teams. He also acts as an educator and expert advisor to many wildlife rescue, rehabilitation, and groups all over the world. His work takes him to offbeat locations. He likes to travel with his family and whenever possible. He is also passionate about nature photography. His photographs have been used by renowned publications and books. He teaches nature photography near his home in Texas as well. Dr. Amol believes that every person on the planet can make a positive difference to their own environment regardless of where they are. They just need to identify where they can help and just get to it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I now call upon our orator, Dr. Amol Khedgikar, to deliver his oration on prospects and challenges in wildlife, opportunities for budding vets in wildlife. Dr. Amol, please.